Hi there, my name's Edgar. Our Christmas gift package is here. With it comes all you need to promote your gift cards and give your salon or spa a boost. One such item is the Scan to Reveal gift bauble sticker for your mirrors. So today I will be showing you how to use this correctly so that clients will receive a custom discount of your choosing to perhaps purchase your gift card package. With your door or window sticker set up to let clients know you are selling Christmas gift cards and your till display ready with your gift cards and Christmas house carriers, the last element is to stick your festive baubles on the mirrors. Once clients are sat in your salon chair, for example, they will then see your stickers. The Scan to Reveal gift sticker will entice them to scan the QR code for a special discount, perhaps on your gift card package. The type of discount is entirely up to you. Clients can access their phone camera and point it at the QR code. After a few seconds, their phone will recognise the code and present a message confirming this. When they tap the code or message, they will be taken straight to the landing page. This will confirm they have unlocked their special discount and will need to show the message at your till to claim it. Once clients head to your till following their appointment, they will then see your wonderful gift card stand and Christmas house carriers. So when clients show their landing page message on their phone at your till, you can then inform them of their discount for your gift cards. Ultimately, this will encourage your clients to purchase gift cards for the upcoming festive season. So it's simply a case of them scanning the QR code and showing the message at the till for your custom discount. It's that simple. I hope that helps. If you already have Salon but don't yet have our Christmas gift card package, make sure to click the link in our description for more. 5% of profits from all Christmas gift card packages will even go to NHS charities together. If you don't yet have Salon, you can find out more when you book a free presentation with the link below. For more salon how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to us on YouTube? We also have several social media networks for you to follow for regular Premiere software content. In the meantime, check out our other helpful videos and I'll see you next time.